Happy Aloha Friday, everybody. Welcome back to another video for you guys. And we're going to be discussing the Nothing Phone 1. As everybody else is going to be talking about the Pixel 11. And there's not really much I want to discuss about that phone today. But I will later on down the road. So stay tuned for that video. Keep it locked, subscribe, and all that good stuff. But yeah, the Nothing Phone 1. So I got a question if I was going to install Evolution X 11.9, which is the latest custom ROM build from Evolution X for the Nothing Phone 1, keeping the Spacewar phone alive. And I have 11.8 on there, and one of the biggest key things with 11.8 that I was super happy about was that they fixed RCS messaging, so it does work on 11.8. And I'm a little bit nervous that if I install 11.9, it's not going to work, but I'm still going to do it for you guys and use it for the next couple of days and then give you guys feedback on Sunday to tell you guys how it's doing, because there was and possibly might still be a major issue with 11.9. A lot of people on XDA and the threads are reporting basically that there's been this audio bug when it comes to phone calls, right? Phone call volume is not able to be adjusted during a active call, and the person on the other end of your call can barely hear you. Now, there's people who say that if you connect Bluetooth earbuds, they're able to hear you just fine. Other people are talking about disabling, re-enabling VoLTE. There's people that's just talking like all types of just little quirks and workarounds and whatever to get it working. And then there's a great deal of people that are saying that they're not experiencing this problem at all. Just like regular stock Android, where some people get the next update and they're like everything's great, and then people take to social media and say, oh, the new update on Pixel is draining battery faster, or the phone's getting hotter quicker, whatever, right? Nothing's ever perfect, whether it's on direct from Google or if it's from at-home developers. So, but that's a bug issue that's going on. I'm going to install, as a matter of fact, I'll do it right now while we're on the video. I'll just go ahead and take the update, because if it's odd, if the bug is annoying, I can always revert back to 11.8. So there you go. I went ahead and now we're installing it. So it's 3 gigs in size. But anyhow, yeah. So when it comes down to it, like I said, it just keeps the phone alive. And shout out to Barra for the lead developer on Spacewar, which is the Nothing Phone 1's code name, and maintaining it. And you know what? Maybe some of you guys might want Android 16, but you don't want a lot of that heavy theming from the Evolver or anything like that. And so they actually do build vanilla versions of it. So you can either get Evolution X 11.9, which is going to have the Evolver and all types of goodies and the Sandbox app and all kinds of things. Then you can just go with a more Pixel experience and get Android 16 vanilla, and that's going to be more of a Pixel experience based operating system without too much bells and whistles. And then there's a non-vanilla version, which just means that it's just the operating system itself with a few core apps. There are no Google apps on it. You decide what Google apps you want to install, so you don't have to have all the other ones as Google bloatware and everything like that, basically. So you have those options. But yeah, for the most part, I just wanted to give an update because I got a question about it, if someone should install it. Hopefully you didn't install it just yet, and you catch this video so you'll know. I'm installing it right now, and I'm going to test it out, for the rest of today, tomorrow, Sunday. I will have an updated video letting everybody know how the Nothing Phone 1 on 11.9 Evolution X is doing. And yeah, because Nothing is the brand of phones that I would definitely pick up if Pixels completely went away. And now that you can grab them in Best Buy here in the United States and in Canada, solid. I mean, you won't be able to pick up a Nothing Phone 1, but at Best Buy, they have the Nothing Phone 3, the 4A Pro, and future Nothing devices are going to be sold at US Best Buys and Canada's Best Buys. So yeah, we have an easier way of getting them than having them shipped overseas from Europe to here. So shout out Carl Pay for that and getting those deals done to get Nothing Tech more recognized here in the US. A lot of people still ask me about that phone. Where did I get it? Some people that are around my age are like, oh my God, that reminds me of the Nokias back in the day. I'm just like, yeah, I remember, the light up Nokias and stuff like that. Was it the 3300 or the Nokia 5120? Yeah, there's like different ones. But anyways, I'm rambling now. I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for checking out this video. Thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, emotional outbursts, you guys know where to plug those in at. Thumbs up the video, share the video so other people can get hip to the fact of what's going on. If they don't know, now they know. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.